Have you ever said, I'm gonna start working out and I'm gonna buy this exercise gadget and I'm gonna do this program and oh, by the way, I'm gonna do it every day this week? Like total attack mode. You're just like, I got this and I'm gonna do this, get out of my way. And then that first week comes and goes. First off, you're sorer than heck, but it's like everything just fizzles out. And I don't know about you, sometimes you just end up on the couch with a bag of Lay's potato chips and you've gained this giant bag of guilt because you're like, okay, but I said I was gonna do all this stuff. This was totally me. This was it. It 100% was me. So today I'm gonna give you a couple of tips that I have found that work, that take first off that guilt bag and kick it out. That's number one. But number two, get us off the couch and get us moving just a little bit. Stay tuned. Hey mama, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang, and today I'm gonna give you 3 tips that you can use to be able to get you up off that couch, moving that beautiful, gorgeous body, and how to make that workout stick. So tip number 1, stop the sucky workouts. I almost don't know how we get caught up or stuck in this, but sometimes we end up feeling like we have to keep going to these workouts that we hate, that we dread. And what usually ends up happening is we just don't go. We find excuses. I need to go, I don't know, wash my hair today, and then I can't go do this workout. And so first, before we even dive into this, I want you to give yourself permission to stop doing that sucky workout and go find something that you love. Not your friend, not your husband, not your kids, but what is it that you're like, I want to do that? Because let's just be honest, exercising sometimes sucks. I mean, like, it takes up time, you get sweaty, you gotta wash your hair all the time. So it's like, how do you find that one thing that you're like, I have to do this today? This is also the perfect stop to just kind of hit the pause button for a second. For most of us, we're not out here trying to be an Olympian or a CrossFit fighter. I don't even know what those are called, but you get what I'm saying. For most of us, we're just trying to find something to make our body move so that we feel good. So what I'm going to tell you to do is just pause for a moment and think about what are activities that you like to do. Do you like to go for a walk? Do you like to run? For me, the answer to that is a big no. And that's okay. So I go and pick something different. For me, my go-to thing is dance fitness. I love to be able to shake my booty and I get to the end of class and I don't even realize I realize I've been working out, but I feel good. So that is the perfect workout for me. But for you, it could be spin class, it could be bar, yoga, Pilates, strength training, dance fitness, Zumba, hip hop. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. What I will tell you is think about what type of activity that you like to do. And it may be going outside and going for a hike. Maybe you like to put something, like your kiddo or say something, because it'd be like a little doggy for me, but like in a stroller and go walk down so you can get outside and get some fresh air. So first things first, stop the sucky workouts. Give yourself permission to stop doing the sucky workouts and really start thinking about what do you love. Okay guys, so we headed to tip 2, and this is all about finding the workout that you love. And so we have to pause here for just a moment and think about, do you want to have a group class where you go somewhere and you're in a room where someone is leading the class and you're around other people? Or do you want to work out from home, so you want to watch something on TV or have a printed out guide? Or do you want a hybrid of both? So that's really the first question, and have that journey of picking out what class that you love. So if you're like, girl, I want to be in person with some other people all around me. I want to have that person that stands up front, tells me which moves to do, and can come around and be like, let's tweak this or do this so that you're safe and you're doing the form right on this move. Then in class, that's where you need to go. So my suggestion or my tip for you is to actually go to the location that you're looking at, ask them if they have a trial. Almost every single place is probably going to have either a free class or a very discounted first class or a pass or a trial that you can try out. The other great place to go look at is Groupon or Living Social. Tons of options on there. So it's kind of like a try it before you buy it. You can go get that cheaper version, that first, couple of classes to test it out to say, yes, this is something that I want to stick with, or no, it's not. So there's no need to go and buy that month-long gym membership or that year-long membership at like a boutique or a fitness facility until you test out if this is a place that you're going to love. And if you're like, I want home workouts, then what I'm going to tell you is there are so many options on YouTube right now that you can go and get. So what I have done is I have created like a handout, like a guidebook that you can go and have on your computer that lists my favorite YouTube channels right now that has full classes. In all disclosure, you know, Badass Mama is listed as one of them, but there are other options on there for you. So you can look at bar or spin or boot camp. So I'll put the link down below. All you have to do is sign up for our newsletter and you immediately get access to the sheet that'll have the hyperlinks that you can click on and go check out my favorite YouTube channels. And if you're looking for something specific on YouTube, what I would tell you is put that class name and then search with the words full class after it. And then that way you're gonna get a search of everything that's gonna have a full class and not just snippets of something. So if you like dance fitness, for instance, you could put hip hop cardio full class and you're gonna get a full length list of different instructors that are there. You can kind of try them out and see which one you like the best. So my last tip is just hit the repeat button. So sometimes we get signed up for classes and we're all gung-ho and we're like, I love this and I want to do this, and we get to about the 90-day mark and we're like, you know what? My love for this has faded. That again, I go back to step one. You got to give yourself permission. You got to give yourself a little bit of grace to say, it's okay to switch things up. The whole point of this is just to move our body. So if you find something that you love, stick with it until you don't love it anymore, and then go try a bunch of other stuff. You never know what you may find out there. There are so many new classes, existing classes, like step class. Step class is coming back, guys. I'm so excited. But there are so many different options that you can go after with classes to try, whether you're at home, whether you're in a group setting, or you're at a fitness facility. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. Remember, we have our 3 tips just to get us moving, and that is 1, stop that sucky workout. Number 2, go find what you love. And number 3, hit that repeat button. And if you would like to have a nice little printed out guide, I have one for you. I'll have a link down in the description below. Go check out badassmamagang.com. We have workouts here on YouTube and also over on the website. Otherwise, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see some other videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and go be awesome. Bye, guys.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.